Hi there, it's me Ashik once again before you. In this video, I'm just going to show you how you can um, create this type of feature like order is autocomplete when it is a virtual product. Okay, so this is the product. It's a $12. So let's add to cart and let me show. This is my order page. I have no order in here. Let's refresh this one again. So nothing is here. Now let's purchase this one. Make sure your dollar is zero because I have, okay, let me show you. I don't have the any other payment method. I have just only a cash on delivery. That's why I need to apply a coupon code, or if you have any other payment method like Stripe, PayPal, that would be working because these things will work after payment. Okay, after pay. So it's a $0. Let me place an order. Okay, I have already placed an order. Now in this page, if I just refresh this page, then I can see I have this order and it's automatically completed. Okay, it's automatically completed. So how I can just make that, let's show you. So I have just installed a plugin. The plugin name is WooCommerce autocomplete. You will get the this one, you will get the plugin URL and description. Okay, then I have did what, I have just simply click on settings, then I have just make it Moody's virtual products. We can make it virtual and downloadable as well. Okay, now I think you understand. If I just go to home page and uh, purchase any other one like Rich Dad, let's purchase this one also. View cart. Okay, proceed to checkout. Okay, apply the coupon because uh, make sure you have paid. So now I have paid. That means I have using coupon. Let's purchase this. Now if I just go to orders page again, then it's showing processing. It's showing processing. Maybe it's not virtual product. I think it's not, sorry, it's not downloadable product maybe. Let's edit the product. Sorry, it's not a downloadable product. Let's make it a downloadable product as well. Okay, let's make it something like this and choose a file. Why it's become very slow. Okay, let's select this one. Now let's update this one and purchase this again. Now as you can see, it's in processing. Okay, it's not completed yet. Now I'm just going to purchase this product again. Let's add to cart. View cart. Okay, I'm so sorry for the slow internet right now. Then go to checkout page. Okay, then proceed to checkout. Okay, apply the coupon. Now purchase this, place an order. Okay, I have placed an order. Now let's go to order page again and refresh this page. Okay, can you see it's completed because this product is Now, virtual and downloadable also. I think you understand how it works. So that's it for now. Thank you so much.